Gattu, look! We have so many orders.
No problem. Burger is cake. Gattu will cook without break.
Food Express. Order right, you will get coins day and night.
The link is given in the description. Download quickly the Puntun Kids game and the fun begins.
Diwali cleaning. Gattu was hiding behind the cupboard in his room.
Gattu, where are you going? Shh! Chinky, speak softly. I'm going outside. I'll be back in a while. Okay. And what will I get by doing this? You can take all my chocolates that are in the drawer of my table. Okay, you wait here. I'll go and bring the chocolates. If you go out before I come back, I am going to call Mummy, okay? Oh, okay. I am right here, Chinky. Just come quickly.
Chinky quickly goes and takes out the chocolates from the drawer.
Now you've got the chocolates, right? Now I'm going.
As soon as Gattu started to tiptoe to go out, Chinky makes a noise.
Mummy, look, Gattu is probably going out somewhere, leaving the Diwali cleaning.
Then what? Before Gattu could run, Mummy comes over there.
Gattu, what am I hearing? Chinky, you took all my chocolates and then also complained? This is not fair, Chinky. Come on. Now grab the broom and duster and get to the cleaning of the house. The whole family should do Diwali cleaning together. Look how Papa is working quietly too.
Gattu and Chinky look at Papa together.
Gattu, there is no option now. Let's quickly clean up the house for Diwali. Then we have to clean the society's playroom in the evening. Oh yes, good that you reminded me, Chinky. Bunty, Hari and Goody will arrive at 4 in the evening. We need to finish all the work before then. So let's go then. Chinky, you quickly clean the living room with Papa, and Gattu, you come with me and clean the rest of the rooms. Okay, Mummy. Hey, wait first. Yes, now you both are ready. Let's go then.
Mummy and Gattu quickly go to clean the rooms. And Chinky and Papa clean the spider webs in the living room. Nobody even realizes when slowly and steadily the entire house is clean. And everyone sits down in the clean living room after turning on the AC.
Here you go, guys. Chill and refreshing juice. You all worked really hard today. After all that work, drinking this fresh and cold juice is just amazing. You're right, Chinky.
But just then, Gattu Chinky's friends arrive over there.
Gattu, Chinky, are you ready? We have to go and clean the playroom, right? Oh yes, it's 4 o'clock.
But kids, why are all of you cleaning the playroom?
Uncle, we only play there, right? So the secretary uncle said it's our responsibility to clean it too. Oh wow, kids. This is really great that you all are following up on your responsibility. After cleaning up, please come back. I'll give everyone juices and we'll keep the snacks ready too. Wow, Gattu Chinky. Then let's hurry up. We'll go quickly, finish our work and come back as soon as possible.
Everyone laughs at Bunty's words and then reaches the playroom, where the situation was quite bad.
Guys, look, all the games are covered with dust and there are so many spider webs on them. Hey Chinky, due to our exams, we haven't been here for a long time. Let's get started then. Bunty, Goody and I will dust all these games. Chinky and Hari can clean the webs together. And then we'll all sweep here together and clean the floor with a mop. Okay.
Everyone starts doing their work respectively.
Oh, there's a lot of cleaning going here. Now I'll tell all of them how Spider feels when they become homeless. Ha 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 ha. Hello, meet Mr. Spider.
Seeing Monty like this, everyone gets scared and starts running here and there.
What is this? It's a giant spider! Help! Help! Help us! Help us!
While running, Gattu's bucket of water falls from his feet and all the water spills. But Monty slips and falls into the water.
Oh, I got hit. What? Monty's voice?
All the kids stop after hearing this.
Does that mean this big spider is none other than Monty?
Gattu quickly goes and removes the spider mask from Monty's face.
Because of him, everything got even dirtier. Look, all the water is also spilled. Come on, guys, let's complain about this at Monty's house. What? No, don't do that. I'm leaving from here. No, you don't have to go anywhere. But you'll have to help us clean all this mess. What? Your help? Yes, our help. Otherwise, we'll go to your house and